Finally, Microsoft confirmed Windows 11 version 2.5.2 and the installation will be much faster than the previous version 2.4.2. In this video, I will tell you all the new features in Windows 11 version 2.5.2. First, you need to understand why it is much faster than the previous version. So basically, whenever you go and check for update from Windows 11 version 2.4.2 to 2.5.2, it is just like a cumulative update install. So it is not going to take much longer time. So basically, it is not going to reinstall any system files. It will take just few minutes and download or install it and just shorter restart. What were previously happening? OS swap. So basically all the system files just replaced with the newer version, and that's why it is taking too much time to download or install. Okay, so let's cover all the new features here. First feature or improvement, bigger start menu with phone link app. You can get everything in your first page like pinned app, recommended and all category. You can send file directly from your system to your phone. So that's a great feature. You can monitor everything about your phone like battery percentage, notification, even anyone calling you. This is a bigger start menu. You will get everything like pinned app, recommended. In all section you can see apps inside folders and folders inside folders. So you can also rename it. You can change the type here like category, name list, name grid. Category looks pretty cool here. You can also change the recommended section like you want to show or hide. You can turn it off. That's a great. By default you will see 8 apps in the first row. Maximum you can set 24 apps. Another update in accessibility like more mouse control. You can change the style and color, the speed from your this setting page. So this is another improvement here. Another improvement related to smaller taskbar icons. So currently they are just making icons smaller, not the taskbar. That's not cool. You can change the icon size, but at the same time, if taskbar also is going to be smaller, that would be really great. Maybe in future it is going to happen. Another improvement related to notification, like where you want to show your notification indicator on top, bottom or left, right. So basically just go on notification settings. You will see option like position of on screen indicators. All options you are going to get here and change it. Another great feature related to File Explorer, you can open any folder in your File Explorer. If you restart or shut down and again turn on your system, you will restore that folder in your File Explorer. For that you need to go into File Explorer, click on this menu, go into options, in options go into view section, scroll a little bit, you will see here restore previous folder windows at logon. Check this box and apply. After that go and open any folder like here screenshot, and now I'm going to restart my system. After that you will see it will open File Explorer automatically and restore your previous open folder in your File Explorer. Another new improvement related to your File Explorer, in File Explorer home tab you will see here recent, favorite and share. So all files or favorite things you will see here, so you can access them easily. Another improvement related to sharing, like you can drag and you will see here new UI. You can share file by dragging it. New emojis icon in your taskbar, so whenever you click on it you can open your emojis section from here. Another thing, they are adding widgets in your lock screens. You can add your battery percentage, Spotify, countdown. You can change the order also. You can add multiple widgets here. So this is really cool feature. Maybe it will be very helpful for you. Another new feature, they are adding battery percentage. So you can see the battery percentage. Currently it was not available. Now they are introducing it, and they are also changing the colors and icon based on the battery or power changing, right? Another new feature they are giving in snipping tool. If you update to latest snipping tool, you can just extract text from your current screen. You don't need to take any screenshot. You can directly extract text from image. So guys, these are the new features coming to Windows 11 version 2.5.2 later this year on September and October. But you can try out these versions in Windows 11 Insider Preview Dev channel.